Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a PR unboxing for you guys. I just thought it would be fun to open up a bunch of PR packages together. So hopefully you guys will enjoy this experience along with me. Before I open up all these packages, I just want to invite you guys to subscribe, ring the bell, like and comment on this video, and of course to join my giveaway. I also want to thank all of the brands that sent in these packages. I really appreciate it and I cannot wait to see what's in them. So let's get into this PR unboxing. Let's start it off with food. So this is a package from Frito-Lay. So this is the snack surprise. I really love the packaging. It's actually a luggage thing made out of paper, which I think is really cute. So let's just open it up. Ta-da! This is what is inside. Hey Addie, switch up your snacks with something new. Bring the flavor up a notch with Lay's salted egg. I really love salted egg, so I'm so excited that they have this flavor. Here I have 3 of the Lay's salted egg flavor. Wow, you know what? I'm gonna try this right now because I'm just so excited. It smells so good. Oh my god. This is actually really good. I think I'm gonna finish this entire pack. It's so good. Super tastes like salted egg. So if you guys are salted egg fans, definitely go out and try this. It's really good. I have to stop myself from eating that entire pack. Is there chips in my teeth? No? Okay. So let's move on to the next one. Next up is this package from Welch's. It is the heaviest package that I have with me today. It's super duper heavy. I don't know how I carried that, by the way. Wow, so this is what's inside. This is the Welch's fruit snacks. You guys know how much I love the Welch's fruit snacks. I actually have so much of this here in my room, but you know what? It never hurts to have more. So I'm so excited for this. So this one actually has 20 packs. So you know what, I really love the Welch's fruit snacks because I love sugar, I love gummies, and this one just makes it so much easier for me because it's natural. It doesn't have processed stuff in it. It's actually really not that bad for you, so that's why I love it so much. What else is in here? Ooh, I already have one of these. Actually, it's one of those silicone molds for ice, or you can also put juice in this and then make like fun juice popsicle thing. Of course, I have the Welch's 100% grape juice. So this one is made out of the Concord grape. I actually really love this grape juice. It's so yummy. It reminds me of wine. I think that's why I like it. But on those days when I don't want to be drunk, I just go for grape juice. I have a bunch of baby juices as well. This is the mini version of the Concord grape juice. And they have other flavors. This is the cranberry juice cocktail flavor. And there's also the apple cranberry. Now these I actually have not tried, so I'm gonna try out the cranberry juice cocktail right now just because I am so curious to see how this tastes. This is so good. I love it. I really like cranberry. I really like cranberry juice, and even though this is not refrigerated or anything, which I usually do by the way, it still tastes really good, and you know, it's juice, it's fruits, so good for you. I love it. That's it for all the food packages. Now we're gonna move on to the beauty things. I got these soap bars from the brand Label. So this orange one is their Kojic Acid soap. Now this one is for skin whitening, and it is also for blemishes and pigmentation. And this other one is their Bleaching Soap. So this is also for skin whitening and for blemishes, scars, and pigmentation. Now I've never tried this brand before, but I've heard really great things about it, so I am so super excited to try these out. Next up is this fragile package. As you can see, it says fragile. So this one, I actually peek into packages first, but this one I just didn't. This is a challenge to open, but I'm a strong, independent woman and I can do this. I did it. It's open. So this is the package. Cute. It has my name on it. So it is from Oprah. And this is what it looks like inside. So this says, fall in love all over again with the Oprah flattering nudes. I love it. So these are what's in the box. So I have Body Glow. These are how the samples look like. So this is the red carpet color, the first ever luminous body lotion that will stay put and not transfer onto your clothes. Can't wait to test this one out. And of course, we have the Oprah long-lasting liquid lipstick. So I have it here in 3 shades. Now, this one, where are the shades? I want to get a better look at the shades, so I'm just gonna open all of these up. They actually look really pretty, and lately I've been super into nudes. It's just, I don't know, ever since I bought the Kylie stuff, I've just been into nude things. I have 3 shades right here. So this one is called Charmed, and this one is called Laguna Beach, and this last one is a dark one. This one is called Mocha. This is how all 3 shades look like, and I'm actually planning to do a dedicated video on just these over liquid lipsticks, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna do swatches, I'm gonna test them out. As usual, I saved the best for last, and this is it. Right here, this is from the brand Absolute New York. So they came all the way here from New York, and I am so very excited. This is actually a brand that is newly launching here in the Philippines, so I am so excited that I get a first look into all of their makeup. This is how, wow, this is really beautiful. Look at that. So it says here, grand launch the beauty with urban edge. Okay, so this is actually an invite to their grand launch happening very soon, so I'm gonna be attending that. But this is all of the makeup, so we're gonna go through this one by one, but of course I'm gonna be doing a dedicated video on just these products, because look at that, there's so much I have to go through, and I'm so excited to get into this. Let's start with this one. This is the Glow in the City highlighter. These are the colors in the highlighter quad. There's a yellowish shade, a pinky one, a brown one, and a goldish one. I think that's such a great range of color. There's a lot of stuff in here. I have Chic Cheek Blush Duo. Wow, that was hard to say. Chic Blush, and as you can see, there's a peachy blush up there, and then there's a hot pink blush. These are their concealers. So this is the Click Cover Concealer. It claims to be lightweight and full coverage. I also have their HD Flawless Powder Foundation. Now, you guys know I don't really have such a good track record with powder foundation, but I am still very excited to try this out. Maybe this one will work for me. They also have liquid foundation, thank goodness. So this one I am very excited to try. Liquid foundation is actually what I prefer, but I'm also open to other types of foundation. This one is the Flawless Face Primer. Now this one actually looks like my LA Girl primer, but a little bit different. Are you guys getting LA Girl vibes right now? These are their brow products. So this one is the 2-in-1 Brow Perfector. So this one actually has a brow pomade and a brow pencil all rolled into one. That's pretty cool. And this one, oh, this one is what I would normally use. So this one is the Super Slim Point Fine Brow Pencil. This has the brow pencil up here and the spoolie down there. This one is the waterproof, long-lasting Arrow Script liquid liner. I do not use a lot of liner, and I have yet to find a liner that I'm actually very comfortable with, so who knows, maybe this is it. This one I think is lipstick. It is the Perfect Pair Duo Parfait. So it looks like this. So there's a thinner version up here and a thicker version down there. Okay, so it's basically complementary colors. So I think the whole idea is you line your lips and at the same time you fill in your lips with just one product. I think that's great because, you know, sometimes people buy separate ones and it's just really hassle to bring around. This is the Click Glossy Color. They have a lot of different lip products and I'm so excited for that. So this one is a high pigment lipstick. And this one is a glossy stain. So this is a long-lasting and a natural tint. I think this is a lip gloss. And I have more lip products. This one is the Supreme Slim. Wow, this really is skinny. This is the Supreme Slim Demi Matte Lipstick. Oh, they also have liquid lipstick. This is called Matte Made in Heaven. I like that. Matte Made in Heaven. You get it? No, I'm weird. Anyway, so this one is their Velvet Lippy. It is a buttery matte lip cream. Okay, so this is more of their comfortable version of a matte liquid lipstick. Oh, there's another Velvet Lippy but in a different shade. This one is a buttery matte lip cream. I want to know the difference of the buttery matte and the other, you know, I don't know. I'm just gonna try all of these and let you guys know. We also have gel eyeliner. So this is it, and it says it is waterproof gel eyeliner. Wow, I think I'm gonna test this out because a lot of liners claim they're waterproof, but they're actually not. But you know what? Let's see. So I have two colors. One is in brown and one is in black. Now this one, I am so excited for. This is such a big palette. This is called the Icon Pro Eyeshadow Palette. It is their Master Shadow collection, and this is in the shade Sahara Sunset. I just want to take a peek into the shades. This is how the Icon Pro palette looks like, and these are all of the beautiful colors. Wow, that's a lot of colors. And it's actually a mix of metallic shades and matte shades, which I think is really great. I don't like palettes that are purely matte or purely metallic because that means I'd have to bring two different palettes every time I want to create a look. But this one has both types and it has a range of colors. It looks very neutral, but at the same time, you can really play around with it. So I can really create daytime looks, but at the same time, nighttime looks, which I think is really great because it's just one palette and you can create so many looks. Wow, that was a lot of makeup, and I'm so super excited to try every single one of them. I'm actually planning to do a dedicated video on the different makeup brands that I got today. So let me know which ones you're interested in seeing, which ones you want me to test out. Just let me know in the comments down below. I hope you guys enjoyed unboxing stuff with me. I really enjoyed it, and I hope you guys did too. Thank you once again to all of the brands that showed me some love, and of course to you guys, my lovelies. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys on my next one. Mwah!